Hey guys, we received these puck lights with remote control for test and try. As you can see, this is Goody.Fun store and it's a rechargeable operated battery under cabinet lights with a wireless control through the remote and a dimming LED closet lights. So it have a magnetic stick or on push lights with a 4 pack. So let me just open everything and show it to you. So I have a remote, have this magnetic strip for the back. These are total four lights and the charging cable. So two charging cable. So this light you can see you can charge from the side. Is have a magnetic base here. So this you have to just on and you can see you can push. So it's a push on light. So push on for push off. So this is a charging thing. So you can use this USB-C to charge the lights and one side through the USB. So the all four lights are the same and it's a push button rechargeable lights that you can use. So can go up to 8.5 hours with high brightness. So you can this is the remote so you can use it with the remote or through the push on push off thing. So let me just take out and stuff with this all remote thing. So just make sure you can turn on the lights first before starting the remote so you can connect the remote with them. So say like I'm just turning off the all lights so on and off. So if one light doesn't on, so just press two times. But you can just see the brightness, the adjustment, and everything. And also like it have like four types, like 25%, 50, 75, 100. And this also have the timer to set in with 15, 30, 60, and 120 minutes. So this good with the good light you can see, and this is the magnetic strip. So this magnetic strip can go on the back like so it's have the magnetic base. So what can be done is like you can put this sticker wherever you want to put the light and just stick this light on top of it. So once this is all done, your light will stay there. So you can use the screws to set it up, the magnet to set it up, or you can just put it like this. So multiple use, multiple things, very nice lights with a remote control.